Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Today we will be showcasing Khadi linen saree, the very soft and comfortable fabric, a perfect festive wear saree and cheptanu. Different color combination, different styles of weave patterns, jamdani weaving, floral weaving, stripe pattern weaving, ila different patterns of weaving lo ee sarees aithe unnai. Color combinations kuda very subtle and sober color combination, and even you have vibrant shaded sarees as well. And all these sarees are light weighted, suitable for any age group. Ee sarees మేము ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసినప్పుడు చాలా వరకు people below 25 preferred these kind of sarees. Thank you so much for your response for that. So today we will be showcasing all festive type Khadi linen sarees. So let's get into the video. How to shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, you can directly visit to our store which is located in Kondapur, Botanical Garden Road, Hyderabad. And fourth one, you can book a video call slot. మీ ప్రిఫర్డ్ టైమ్ స్లాట్కి మీరు అడిగిన వెరైటీస్ని వీడియో కాల్ చేసి చూపిస్తాము. దాని నుంచి కూడా యూ కెన్ పిక్ యర్ ఫేవరెట్ సారీస్. సో ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ విచ్ హెవ్ డ్రేప్డ్, ఇట్స్ అ క్రీమ్ కలర్ జామ్దాని వీవ్డ్ ఖాదీ లినెన్ సారీ, అ క్రీమ్ షేడెడ్ సారీ ఆన్ విచ్ యూ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీట్ పింక్ విత్ బ్లాక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ థ్రెడ్ వీవ్ మోటివ్స్. త్రూ అవుట్ ద బాడీ మనకి ఇలాంటి థ్రెడ్ వీవ్ మోటివ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. వీ హ్యావ్ అన్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ వీవ్ మోటివ్స్. వన్ ఇస్ పింక్ విత్ బ్లాక్, ది అదర్ వన్ ఇస్ orange with black color combination thread weave motifs. These sarees comes with the 2-inch copper zari weave borders on either sides. And coming to the pallu, so this is the pallu. It's a rani pink shaded jamdani weaved pallu. This is the pallu, a beige base on which you have a rani pink color combination, and this saree comes with multicolor tassels as well. And coming to the blouse, it's a running blouse with a copper zari weave border, and this is priced at 2780 free shipping. The next color combination, the next pattern in Khadi linen saree is a black color Khadi linen saree. So this saree carries silver and gold zari weave booties running through the body with 2-inch copper zari weave borders on either sides. A complete lotus pattern weaved saree, and this is the pallu, a stripe pattern pallu. The saree comes with a running blouse priced at 2780 free shipping. Moving on to the next variety in Khadi linen sandi, a checkered pattern linen saree with a weave border. A red color linen saree, red base ki complete gold checks pattern anedi throughout the body ki vastundi. We have 1-inch weave borders on either sides, and one side of the saree carries a complete floral weave border, floral zari weave border anedi untundi with a contrast green color thread weave border as well. And this is the pallu. Pallu kuda complete manaki gold color thread weaving ostundi with chinna stripe lines anedi manaki kinda pallu kostundi. And the blouse, running red color blouse, the saree is priced at 2999 free shipping. The next design in linens, a beige color linen saree, an off-white shaded linen saree, very pleasant looking saree. So this saree comes with stripe pattern borders on either side, and the body is plain. Aina manaki 10 inches ki complete stripe pattern weaving anedi untundi, and this portion of the saree carries stripe pattern weaving, a 15-inch panel pattern and cheppachu with a 1-inch border on either sides. Body is again a self textured body, and this is the pallu. So pallu kuda complete stripe pattern weaving anedi pallu kuntundi with multicolor tassels manaku pallu kostundi. And the blouse also comes in the same pattern, plain pattern for the body and stripe weaving for the sleeves border. And this saree is priced at 1450 free shipping. The next shade in Khadi linens, the next pattern, a silver and copper zari weaved floral zari weave pattern, a royal blue color Khadi linen saree. So this saree carries a 10-inch weave motifs running through the body, and the saree comes with a 1-inch weaved border on either sides. and this is the pallu. So pallu అనేది కూడా complete stripe pattern లో copper and silver zari weaving అనేది పల్లుకి వస్తుంది. And the blouse, it's a running blouse and the saree is priced at 2780 free shipping.
Moving on to the next design in linen saree. So this is a green color linen saree, a bottle green shaded saree. This saree carries thread weave motifs running through the body, a green, pink and orange color thread weave motifs, and we have a 2-inch copper zari weave borders on either sides. This is the complete look of the saree, and this is the pallu. So pallu, it's a very pretty pallu, a complete thread weave jamdani pattern pallu. The saree carries a running blouse and this is priced at 2780 free shipping. The next pattern in Khadi linens andi, it's a grey color Khadi linen saree, a complete copper zari weave saree. On a grey color base, you have copper zari weave motifs, floral zari weave motifs running throughout the body, and two sides a 15-inch zari weave border with a 2-inch copper zari weave border as well. So this is the complete look of the saree. This is the pallu, a lotus weaved pallu, same copper zari weave pallu with finished tassels. The saree carries a running blouse and this is priced at 2780 free shipping. A purple color Khadi linen saree, the next pattern. So this saree also carries copper zari weaving and silver zari weave motifs. So throughout the body manaki body lo one side of the saree carries a copper zari weave border and other side also ila 15 inches ki manak border ostundi. Throughout the body lo floral weaving anedi vertical stripe pattern lo throughout the body ki untundi. And we have a 2-inch copper zari weave border as well. And this is the pallu. So pallu kuda complete ga floral weaving anedi untundi pallu ki with finished tassels. And the blouse, it's a running blouse with copper zari weave border for the sleeves, priced at 2780 free shipping. So with this we are coming to the end of today's episode. Khadi linens lo different styles of copper and silver zari weaving and thread weaving lo sarees chusamandi. Light weighted and comfortable sarees, easily drape chesukochu and throughout the day drape chesukodaniki kuda chaala bagunna sarees ivi. And these sarees intlo hand wash cheskunte saripotundi, and all these sarees measures 5.5 meters in length. You get 80 to 90 centimeter blouse. So if you wish to place an order, send a screenshot to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. You can also shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Ee video nachindante video ni like cheyandi, share cheyandi, and if you wish to receive regular updates from Rangvarsha Sarees, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and happy shopping.